Excellent, guys. So today's class is on correlated query. Okay. Correlated query, also called as what, guys? Correlated subquery. Okay. So anyone has any understanding on correlated query or correlated subquery? Can someone tell me? Any idea? What about Kirti? Any idea, Kirti? What is a correlated query?
First, parent query will execute.
Okay.
Then only the child query will execute.
Child.
I mean the inner query.
Okay. Okay. Let us just see. What about others? Any idea? Correlated query?
Outer query only will execute first,
Hmm.
and inner query will execute later.
Okay. Fine.
It will take the
Fine, guys.
outer query.
So there are two queries, guys. This is outer query. This is inner query. Okay. Now see, guys, correlated query is a very confusing topic. You need to pay 100% attention. Correlated query, there is two kinds of query. One is outer query and one is inner query. OQ means outer query. IQ means inner query. So what happens here, guys? Here parallel execution happens. In subquery, sequential execution happens. In correlated query, what will happen, guys? Parallel execution will happen. What will happen? See here. First, outer query will execute. First, which query will execute? Can everyone tell me? First, which query will execute? Outer query will execute. Based on the outer query, inner query will execute. Are you able to understand? First, which query will execute? Outer query. Based on the outer query, which query will execute? Inner query. Then inner query will give output to the outer query. Inner query will give output to which query? Outer query. And finally, outer query will execute. Let us repeat once again. First, which query will execute? Tell me, everyone. Outer query will execute. Based on the outer query, which query will execute? Inner query will execute. And then inner query will give output to which query, guys? Outer query. And finally, which query will execute, guys? Outer query will execute. Did you understood the execution? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Yes. So let us just see here. So correlated query, guys, it is based on subquery and joins.
Sir, can you repeat one more time the diagram?
Yes, definitely. Thank you for asking. So first, outer query will execute. First, which query will execute? Tell me, everyone. First, which query will execute? Outer query. Based on the outer query, which query will execute?
Inner query.
Then inner query will give output to which query? Outer query. And finally, which query will execute? Tell me. Outer query. First, let us just write down so that you'll understand. Okay. Tell me the execution of correlated query. First, which query will execute? First, outer query will execute. Fine. This is first step. Next, step 2. Based on what? Based on the outer query, inner query will execute. Then what is the step 3? Inner query will give output to which? Output to outer query. And what is the final step, guys? What will happen?
Then finally, outer query
will execute. Am I clear till this much? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
So it is also called as correlated query or subquery. It is based on subquery and joins. Do you know subquery and joins? Yes, I told you what? Both the things. How to use a subquery and how to use a joins. Yes or no, guys? Yes. So these things, if you know, guys, let us understand how to use a correlated subquery or correlated query. Even if they ask the execution, how we will understand. Let us just learn. See, select a star from EMP where 0 equals to select count of, select a star from EMP A, I will write where 0 equals to select count of distinct, in bracket I will write B dot cell, okay, close this bracket, from EMP B where A dot cell is less than B dot cell. If you understand this query, guys, you have understood correlated query. Now, how to understand this query? We have to go through our notes. What is our note, guys? First, outer query will execute. Is this our notes or not? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
So step number 1. Which query will execute? Select
Select
a
a star from EMP.
EMP A where 0 equals to.
0.
Yes or no, guys? We are trying to find the first maximum salary and the details of employee earning first maximum salary. So first, which query will execute? Outer query. What is outer query? Select a star from EMP A where 0 equals to. Yes or no, guys? Yes. What is the step 2, guys? Can you tell me? Based on the outer query, inner query will execute. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
So what is inner query? Can you quickly tell me what is the inner query?
Select count
Select count.
distinct of B dot cell from employee B.
Excellent, excellent. Distinct of B dot cell from which table?
Employee table.
Employee B. Where what happened?
A dot cell is less
is
than
less
B cell.
than B dot cell. Yes, this is the inner query. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes.
So outer query output will be what? Tell me. Select a star from EMP A. What will be the output? Entire EMP table. Yes or no,
Right.
guys?
Right.
Or entire EMP table. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Now, EMP table has come. Suppose I write here EMP table. Select star from EMP table. Okay. So this is your EMP table. If I want to write in A format, I can write that star from EMP A. This is your A table. Now, this is your outer query. Now, based on the outer query, which query will execute? Inner query. What is inner query, guys? Select count of distinct B dot cell from EMP B. What do you understand by this query, guys? Can you just tell me? If I write here, select count of distinct B dot cell from EMP B, what will be the output, guys? 12. Why this is 12?
It is giving the total different type of how many salaries are there.
Distinct salaries.
Distinct salary. Yes.
So see here, there are so many salaries. Okay.
Right.
So if you see the distinct values, that means repeated value. If I want to remove this repeated value, see here. So I'm from EMP B. Okay, I'm writing order by cell DESC, descending order of the salary. So which are the repeated value? These are the repeated value or not?
Right.
Yes. And there will be one more repeated value. Is this repeated value or not?
Yes.
Yes. So if I take the distinct of B dot cell, it will be 12 because this 2 duplicate will be not shown. Yes, guys? Yes. Are you understanding this query, everyone?
Yes.
Yes. If you have understood this much, then tell me this is fine. Now I told you first the filter condition will work. Yes or no, guys? I have always told first way which during the execution, first which part executes first? First the filter condition and then the actual query. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Now this is a table. Okay. Now let us take two tables. There is one table. Select star from EMP A. Okay. And there is a table. Select star from EMP B. There are two tables. Okay. Now, what is the condition telling, guys, in the query? Can you just tell me where A dot cell is less than B dot cell? How we will compare A dot cell with B dot cell? Can you just tell me? the output of this particular query. What happened? Inner query will give output to the outer query. So inner query is getting executed based on the condition. What is the condition? Everyone tell me. A dot cell is less than what? B dot cell. Guys, everywhere they will ask the execution, so pay your attention. Okay. Now A dot cell is first take 800. Is 800 less than 800? Tell me yes or no.
Sir, please give me connection.
No. So count will start from 0. Count will start from where, guys? Start from 0.
0.
So is 800 less than 800? My question to you is 800 less than 800?
No.
No. Answer, it is false or not? It is false statement. If it is a false statement, count will increment with 1. So now count will be what? Count equals to 1. Are you able to understand? Whenever there is a false condition, count will increment with 1. And so now the count is what? 1. Yes or no, guys? Yes. So now 800 will be again compared to 1600. So now tell me 800 and this 1600. Is this 1600 greater than 800? Yes or no, guys? Tell me, Kirti, is it greater than or greater than 800 or not?
Yes.
Yes, it is greater. So count will not change. This is a true statement.
True statement.
Count will be what?
1
only. Similarly, guys, we will compare it with all the values. Suppose I compare with 125029 and all these things, guys. Finally, what will happen? This is the minimum value, guys. So ultimately, the count will be what? 1. Count will be what? 1. Yes or no, guys? Yes. So now the output of this inner query will be what? Tell me the output of this inner query. Output of inner query is what? 1. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, fine, guys. Tapshi is asking the recording access. Let me just give her. So output of this inner query is what? 1. Okay. So excellent, guys. Excellent. So now this 1 is the output of this inner query. What is the step 3, guys? Inner query will give output to what query? Outer query. Yes or no,
Outer
guys?
query. Yes.
Yes. So what will be the output given to the outer query? Output given to the outer query. Can you just tell me what will be the output given to the outer query? 1. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Let me just provide the access. 1 second, guys. Yeah. I've given the access, guys. Okay, so output given to the outer query is 1. So now what is my query, guys? What is my query? This is my query. Now 1 will be given. 1 will be given to the outer query. What was my query? Can you just tell me? This is my query. Yes or no, guys? Yes. Now see here the query. What is the output given to the outer query? What is the output given to the outer query of the inner query? Can you just tell me? The output of this inner query is what? 1. Yes or no? Now is 1 equal to 0?
No.
Here the output of this query is nothing but your 1. So now tell me, is 0 equals to 1? Tell me yes or no? No, it is a false condition. Then what will happen, guys? This will not be executed and it is not the first maximum salary. Did you understood this much? Tell me, shall I explain once more or you have understood? Kirti, can you just tell me? Shall I explain once again or did you understood this much?
So it is counting with the first row 800. Then it has come false condition.
Yes. It 800 was compared to 800, then 1600, then 1250, then 2975, 1250, like that. It got compared to 1300, and we got the output as what? 1.
So can
Now,
that inner portion inner query can you?
Yeah, inner query has given the output as 1. Now this 1 is compared. Now will be given to the outer query. So now what will happen, guys? Now, since this 1 is given to the outer query, now 0 is not equals to 1. That means what? This is not the first maximum salary. Are you able to understand? Yes, sir.
Inner query execution, can you just tell once again? Sir?
Definitely. Okay. Let us just take a. What is our question? Our question is to find the details of employee earning first maximum salary. Okay, details of the employee earning first maximum salary. Okay. So now, guys, it will start with the comparison with 800 and like that. It will compare each and every record. I am taking the example of 5,000. Now take the example of 5,000 from A table. And now this 5,000 will be compared to B table 800 or not, guys? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
What we have to compare, the condition is A dot cell should be less than what?
B
B
dot
cell. Now in B table, what is the first value? 800. So 5,000, is it less than 800? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
No.
Huh?
No, no,
No. False.
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 Count is 0 only. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Fine, guys. So now this is fine. So now count is what? 0 only. Okay, guys.
Yeah.
Now here take 5,000, compare it with 1,600. What will happen, guys? Is the condition false or true?
False.
False.
False. Count will be what?
0.
0 only. Only and only the condition, if it is true, then the count will change. Okay, fine. So now I will compare this 5,000 with 5,000. Tell me, guys, what will happen? Is the condition true or false?
True.
False. The count will be what?
0.
0. Are you able to understand? Count is 0. So now this 0 will be compared to 0 and 0 equals to 0. Here what will happen? The output of this inner query will be what? 0. So now this 0 will be compared to this 0. 0 equals to 0. Select star from EMP where 0 equals to 0. Now this will display what? The first maximum salary. Are you able to understand? This is also false. Okay, false condition, count will not increase. Only the increment will be in the true condition. Count will not increment. Okay, count is here. Here it is count is 0 only. But when 800 is compared to what, guys? 800 is compared to 1,600. Count will increment because this is a true value. So count will increment to what? Count will increment to 1. Are you able to understand? In this previous example, the output of the inner query was not equals to 1. It was equals to 1, which was not equals to 0. So that was not considered as the first maximum salary. Only when this condition will be true, that will be considered as the first maximum salary. Let me just explain it once again, guys, with this particular query. Okay, see here. Now see here, I am taking a simple example here. In this table, okay, there's a simple table. I have taken employee number, employee name, salary, employee number, employee name, salary. Now I wanted to know, is the Scott is having the first maximum salary? So how the comparison will happen? Can someone tell me the comparison? This is A table, this is B table. How will we'll compare? 3,000 less than what, guys? 3,000. Is it true or false?
False.
False. So what will be the count, guys, in false
0.
condition?
0.
0. Again 3,000 will be compared to what? Tell me.
4,000.
4,000. Is it true or false?
True.
True.
So what will be the count?
1.
1.
So that means what, guys? It is not 0. Okay, for first maximum we have to select what? 0. So again I will compare with 5,000. Again count will be 2, and 2,000 it will not change. 1,000 it will not change. So ultimately what will happen, guys? It will be compared to all the values. 3,000 will be compared to what? 5,000. So is it true or false?
True.
True.
So count will be what, guys?
1.
2. For true it will increase. Okay, for true it will increase. Again 3,000 less than 2,000. 2,000, is it true or false? False.
False.
Count is what, guys?
0.
2 only. Again 3,000 compared to what, guys? 1,000. Condition is false only. Count will be what, guys?
3.
2 only. So the output of inner query is what, guys? Output of inner query is what? is 2, which is not equal to what? Which is not equal to 0. And
Zero.
hence, what happened, guys? Scott is not the person,
Who have the maximum salary?
yes, who has the maximum
Maximum.
salary. Okay. Fine. Now, who is having the maximum salary? Can you tell me? 5,000 King. Okay. Let us start comparing King. Let us compare 5,000 compared to 3,000. Is 3,000 greater than 5,000?
False.
False. Count will be what?
0.
Excellent, guys. 5,000 compared to 5,000. Sorry, 4,000. Is it true or false condition?
False.
False.
Count will be what, guys?
0.
1.
0. False. It will never increase. Okay.
Yes.
Guys, for false, it will not increase. Only for the true value, it will increase. Okay. 5,000 less than 5,000. True or false?
False.
False. Count will be what? 0.
0.
5,000 less than 2,000. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
False. False. What will be the count? Count equal to 0. 5,000 less than 1,000. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
No. False. Count is what? 0 only. Now, is 0 equal to 0? Yes or no? Tell me yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. That means what, guys? That means what? Which is having the maximum salary? That means what? King is the person who is having what? The maximum salary. Yes or no, guys? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Did I got a condition query to get the first details of the employer earning first maximum salary? Yes. What is the condition? Here 0 we take for first maximum salary. For first maximum salary, we will take what, guys? We'll take 0. Okay, in the filter condition or in the filter condition. Okay, in the filter condition. Okay, 0. For second maximum, what we will take? Can everyone tell me? For second maximum, what we will take?
1.
1. Excellent, guys. Excellent. We will take
In the Scott
1.
example, in the Scott example, your salary is less than 2,000 is less than 3,000. Then for false count, it is 2. Is that correct?
Which
In
one?
the
Scott 1. See, 3,000
Yes.
is less than 3,000. Yes or no?
Yes.
So it is false condition. Yes or no?
Yes.
Count is 0. Are you clear till this much?
Yes. Correct.
3,000 is less than 4,000. 4,000 is greater than 3,000. Yes or no?
Yes.
Here the count increased to 1. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
So again 3,000 or 5,000 is greater than 3,000. Count is 2. So tell me,
Yes.
the output is 2. What is your condition here?
Yes. 3,000 less than 2,000. False.
Yeah, 2,000 is greater than 3,000. No, condition is false. So whatever is the count there, whatever the count is there, it will remain the same. Count was 2. It will be 2 only. Okay.
Okay.
Previous count will be only present. Okay. So for second maximum, we'll take 1. So for n maximum, what we'll take? N maximum, what we will tell? Take, can you just tell me? We'll take what? N minus 1 in the filter condition. Excellent, guys. Excellent. If you have understood this much, then you can write a query to find the second maximum salary. Details of employee earning second maximum salary. Can someone tell me? Select a star from EMPA, second maximum salary. What will take? Where what?
1.
1 equals to what? Select
Select count of
Count.
max cell.
count of distinct what? B dot cell
Cell.
from EMP B
B.
where what?
Where
A
A
dot
dot
cell
cell is greater
less than B dot.
cell.
Okay, this is the second maximum salary. Okay, fine, guys. So if you have understood this much, guys, so my query to you is very simple. I'll give you one query. Let me just see how much you have understood. Display the top 3% salary from employee table. This is your question. So I want to display the top 3 persons' salary from the employee table. Person whose salary is top 3. That's what.
All the three, sir, or only third?
No, top 3. First maximum salary, second maximum salary, third maximum salary. Who are the top 3 persons? Suppose in this table, who are the top 3 paid salary? One is what? King. Then that is Blake, and this is Scott. So I want these 3 people name. Can you just write down the query? Think. Top 3 person salary. Can you just try, guys? Same way, only thing in the filter condition, you have to change something. That's what you have to think. Who has written this? What have you written, Samyukta?
Oh, no, it has come by mistake. I haven't completed it.
For third maximum salary, what we will take in the where condition? Tell me.
Where
For third, what will be the where condition?
two.
So now I want the top 3. So what can I do here? That is what you have to think. 2 will give the third maximum salary. My question is not 2. That is no. That is very, very simple thing, right? What is the thing? A top 3.
I have written like this.
Yes. No. Here it will be one output, right? You cannot write like that. 0, 1, 2. No one is able to write. One condition you are not able to think, huh? Gaurav, you are close, but that is not. First of all, 3, it will never be there. This is also wrong. Tapashvi also wrong. Think. Almost correct, Gaurav, but something is little bit. Almost correct. Yeah, think. What about rest? Are you thinking or you are taking rest?
Less than.
Less than or greater than, Gaurav?
Oh, sorry. It would
do you
be
think?
greater than.
Try.
Yes.
No. Why are you writing equal to? Only 2 greater than.
Sorry, I forgot to remove that. This is the final updated query.
Yes, fine, guys. So this is what I told you. How to get the third maximum? What I have to do? Select start from EMPA where? What I have to write, guys? 3 equals to what? 3 equals to all these things? Yes or no, guys? This will give what? This will give what? Sorry. What happened? EMPA. Okay. This will give what, guys? This will give 3 will give 4. I don't want fourth maximum. I want what? First 3. So I have to use 2. Okay.
2. Okay.
So this will give what? My third maximum employee earning the third maximum salary. Yes or no, guys? Yes. So employee earning third maximum salary, I have written 2. Yes or no, guys? So
Yes.
if in this query I write 2 greater than, okay, greater than 2 is greater than or greater than equal to 2. So if I write this condition, guys, what will happen? Let us just see. See, what is the salary I'm getting, guys? 5,000, 3,000 and 3,000. Yes or no, guys? Yes. So now see, guys, I'll tell you one thing more. What I was telling here? 2 greater than equal to. If I write this one, what will happen? See here. So the condition is, guys, is what? The first 3 maximum salary. What is the first 3 maximum salary? Can you just tell me? To get the first or third maximum salary, what I have to do? Tell me, guys, if I want the third maximum salary, I will write 2, yes or no? If I want first, see, now let us write like this so that it will give a clarity. If I want third maximum salary, what I have to write in the condition? 2, yes or no, guys? Yes. If I want second maximum salary, what I want, guys? Tell me. I will have to write 1 or not? Yes. If I want first maximum salary, what I have to write, guys? In the condition 0. Yes or no, guys? That means I want 2 also, I want 1 also, I want 0 also.
0 also.
So what condition I should write? I should write 2, okay? And then what I should write? It should be either 2 or it should be 1 or it should be 0. So I can write 2 greater than or equal to 0. Are you able to understand?
Yes.
Either it should be what? The value should be either equal to 0 or what should happen, guys? It should be what? 1 or 2. So this 2 greater than is giving what, guys? It is telling what? Either the value should be 1 or it should be 2. Okay. So maximum value can be what? It should be greater than 2 or it can be equal to 0. Yes or no, guys? Yes. Any doubts in this?
No.
Anyone? Any doubts? If I write less than, what will happen? Tell me. If I write less than, what will happen? If I write here less than, what will happen?
Yeah, it will give minimum salary, I think.
Yes, minimum salary. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
So did you understood why I wrote greater than? Because the maximum, it should be what? Greater than 2. Okay, 2 should be the maximum value. That means it can be what? Either it can be 1 or it can be 0 or it can be the 2. Are you able to understand? Yes. So this is top 3 maximum salary. So I told you second maximum, third maximum, fourth maximum, first 3 maximum, first 3 minimum, everything we can solve right using this. So I want you to write a query to get the first maximum and first minimum in the same query. Okay. Can you just try? Write a query, okay, to find first max detail of employee earning first maximum salary and first minimum salary. Okay, in the same query, I want what? First maximum and first minimum. Can you just try this query? How can I get the query to find the first maximum and the first minimum salary? Details of employee earning first maximum salary and first minimum salary in the same query. Can you just think? Try, Gaurav. Can you just try?
To query to find the first maximum.
Details of employee earning first maximum salary and first minimum salary. Yeah, Gaurav, can you just try this?
Yes.
First minimum, or I can write down, yes. First, tell me the query to find the first minimum salary. Then I will tell you how to get the first minimum salary, guys. What I will do? Changes, select star for
maximum
EMPA,
salary.
where 0 equals to what I will do? Select count of distinct. What I will do, guys? What is the modification I will do in the query? B dot cell from EMP B, where what? A dot cell less than or greater than? Greater than. Here I will change to greater than B dot cell. Is this the employee earning first minimum salary? Yes or no, guys? What is the condition I have changed? Instead of less than, I have given what? Greater than. Yes or no, guys? So this is the query to get the first minimum salary. I told you for first maximum also. So how can I get both the things in one query? Can I just try?
Less than and equal to?
No.
Vikram, please see, is it correct?
Using or?
No. Like that, how will you put the condition? This is first minimum query. I told you first maximum query. How can I club both these things?
Union?
Yes, try. You are close to that.
The only where condition change and we will put the union.
No. Think how will you put union? That is what is the challenge. How to put the union? Kirti, are you trying? Gaurav, are you trying?
Yes.
Samba, you will not be understanding today. Today is the first day. Right?
No. I already listening. It's
Okay. Good.
I'm also finding.
Good. Just have a try. Whatever you understood. I'll talk to you after 9. Okay, just try. Set operators. I told you union all, intersect, minus. Kirti, what is union?
Union, it will give the only first, there should not be any repetition of the value, distinct value will be coming.
From both the sets.
Both the
From
sets.
set A and set B. First you have to tell data comes from both the tables in the form of tables, but the repeated value will come only once. So this is, guys, first minimum. And I told you first, yes, correct. Who has written this? Excellent. Gaurav, this query is correct. Excellent, guys. Gaurav has learned SQL. Yes or no, Gaurav? Are you getting some confidence?
Yes.
Shoot the query, sir.
Yes, good. What we have to do, guys, is we'll use a union operator. Okay? See here. How to get the first maximum salary? Tell me. Select a star from EMP A, where 0 equals to what, guys?
Distinct.
0 equals to what? Tell me the query, exact query. Select
Count.
Distinct what?
B cell.
B dot cell from EMP B, where what, guys? A dot cell less than what? B dot cell. Yes or no, guys? Yes. Then I have to use union. And then what I have to put? The minimum query. This is the minimum query. I'll just put it here. So this is the first maximum salary. This is the first minimum salary. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
So now you can write first maximum, first minimum and third maximum also. What will be the change if I want to write first maximum, first minimum and third maximum? What is the change I will do? Yeah, Gaurav, what do you think? Suppose I want the first maximum, I want the first minimum, and also I want the third maximum. So what changes I will do in the query?
third
First
maximum, where condition is the 2. Where condition,
Yeah.
you have to put 2.
See, guys. Kirti, are you able to see?
Yes,
This,
yes.
this is first maximum.
First
This is first
maximum.
minimum. Now I want third maximum again. What I will do? I'll put a
I-
union operator. And
Union.
what- And I can change the query or not? Yes.
Yes, we need to change only the where condition.
I will put a union. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
And what I will write here? Third maximum. What is the value? I will change in the where condition.
2 is greater than equals to
2. No, just I want third maximum. I will write 2.
Two.
Yes or no?
2.
This is your third maximum salary. This is your first maximum salary. This is your first minimum salary. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
So I can get first maximum, second maximum, third maximum, fourth maximum, fifth maximum, sixth maximum, details of employee. Okay, and then I can get what? First minimum, second minimum, third minimum, then first 3 maximum, first 3 minimum, 10th maximum. Yes or no, guys? Yes. So I want the details of employee earning 10th maximum salary. Can you just write down? Someone asked me this query. Query to find the details of employee. Details of employee earning 10th maximum salary.
We need to find the details of employee earning 10th maximum salary. Maximum salary.
Yeah, so let's start from where 9 is equal to.
Do that, right. Don't tell anything, just write down. This is wrong, Samyukta. Why it is wrong, Samyukta? Correct.
-1.
Yes, this is the correct query, guys. What I told you, for first maximum, it will be 0. For second maximum, it will be 1. For third maximum, it will be 2. For 10th maximum, it will be 9, n minus 1. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
So what will be the query? Can you just tell me? Kirti, select star from
Select
AMP.
star from AMP A where 9
9. Why we are taking 9?
because for it is n minus 1 for
1,
any
1. So it is 10. So 10 minus 1 is 9. Yes or no,
9.
guys?
Yes.
Count of distinct B dot cell from EMP B. Where what, guys? A dot
Where
cell is this is. What happened? Where 9 equals to select count of distinct B dot cell from EMPB. Where is the mistake, guys?
to this
Select star.
Parenthesis she closed extra.
after distinct there are 2.
No, end she closed one more parenthesis extra.
Here. Okay, so 2 times bracket was given. So this is your 10th maximum salary. Yes or no, guys? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
So now you can write down first maximum, second maximum, first minimum, second minimum, 10th maximum, 11 maximum, first 5 maximum, first 5 minimum. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
If you have understood this much, then I want. So what will be the query to find the first, fourth, and sixth highest salary in a single query? Can you just tell me? First, fourth, and sixth, or whatever, what will be the query?
We will use union operator here.
For one, what will be the condition?
0.
Zero.
For 4, what will be the condition?
3.
For
Three.
6, what will be the condition?
5.
Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
This is what is the correlated query, guys. What is correlated query? What I told you. It is also called as what, guys? Nested query. It is also called as what, guys? Nested query, okay? Or just, yeah. It is also called as correlated subquery or nested query, okay? First, which query will get executed? Tell me. First, outer query will get executed. Then based on the outer query, inner query will get executed. Then inner query will give output to outer query, and finally outer query gets executed. What happens? Serial execution happens or parallel execution happens? Can you just tell me? Parallel execution happens. Yes or no, guys? Yes. It is based on subquery and joins. Can you just justify how it is based on subquery and joins?
We are using joining condition in the filter.
See, where is the joining condition here, guys?
A
This is the
dot cell
joining,
and
guys.
B dot cell.
That means this is which kind of join, guys?
Non-equivalent.
Non-equi join. Yes or no, guys? Yes. How this is the subquery? Because we are using an equal to operator. Yes or no, guys? Yes. And now using subquery, guys, can you just tell me how can I get the detail of employee earning first maximum salary using subquery? Select star from EMP, where salary equals to what?
Select max of cell from
Excellent, guys. Who told that? Select max of cell. Excellent. Max of cell from EMP. This is the query to get the details of employee earning first maximum salary using subquery. Yes or no, guys? Yes. Can you write if I wanted to get the details of employee earning second maximum salary using subquery, how could I have got? Can someone tell me?
Select star from employee.
EMP.
Okay. Select star from employee, where what?
Salary is equals to.
Salary equal to what?
Select max
Select
of
max
cell.
cell.
Max of cell
From
from
EMP.
EMP, where what?
Cell
less
is
than
Less than what, guys? Select max of cell from 2 times everyone. No. Max of cell from EMP. Yes or no, guys? Are you clear till this much?
Yes.
And if I want using the correlated query, the second maximum salary, what is the query? Select star from EMP A, where what? For third, second maximum, what I will write?
1.
1 equals to what, guys?
Select
Count of
Distinct.
distinct
B dot
B
cell.
dot cell
from
EMP.
from EMP B, where what, guys?
A dot
A
cell
dot
less
cell.
than B dot cell.
Yes or no, guys? Yes. Select count of distinct B dot cell. Always I'm giving here 2 brackets. Only 1 bracket is there, okay? Are you able to understand, guys? With this subquery also we can get the output. With the correlated query also we can get the output. And we can
Vikram, I have one query. We have normal subqueries and correlated subqueries as well. So
Yes.
why this correlated subquery concept has introduced? The subquery is working already fine, right? So why we are using correlated subqueries?
Correlated subqueries because that's difficult, right? If I want the 36th employee earning the 36th maximum salary, how will you write? If you use subquery, can you tell me how many times you will have to write the subquery?
The efficiency issue, right?
Not efficiency. The query will become what? Tell me, if I tell you using subquery to find the employee who's earning 36th maximum salary, how will you write down? How many times you will have to write this inner query? 35 times you will have to write what?
Yes.
Inner query or not? Yes or no?
Yeah.
But using the correlated query, what we will do? We'll directly write 35 and we can get once or not.
Okay.
Are you able to understand?
Yes.
If I want 100 maximum salary, employee who's having the 100th maximum salary, so 99 times I will have to use this subquery. Okay. But here directly I will write what? 99 and I can write the query or not? Yes or no? In one line.
Okay.
Are you able to understand? If I work
Yes.
in the detail of an employee earning 100th maximum salary, 100th maximum salary, tell me how can we write using subquery? What is the way? What we will write? Select start from EMP. What I have to write? Where salary equal to what I have to write? Select. Tell me guys.
So
X of cell from EMP. Where what? Salary less that too up to 32 levels only Oracle supports. For SQL Server 256 level. How many times I will have to write these things? 99 times. But if I go using correlated query, what will happen, guys? Tell me.
select start from EMP if where 99 equals to
Where 99 equals to, then the same query, okay? Select count
Right.
of distinct, yes or no, guys?
distinct salary from employee
Yes,
B.
same
Where,
query, same query.
Yes.
Yes or no, guys? So why we are going for correlated query? Are you able to understand? Tell me yes or no, guys?
Yes.
But for 1 or 2 levels, that's okay. But if it is a huge level, guys, then it will be very difficult using subquery. Okay. So this is a very conceptual topic, guys, and always practice all the queries of what I have told you. Let us learn once again correlated query. Everyone tell me what is the output. First, which query will execute? Tell me
Outer
everyone.
query,
Outer query. Based on the outer query, which query executes?
inner query,
Inner query. Then inner query give output to which query, guys?
Outer query.
Outer query. Finally, which query gets executed?
Outer query.
Outer query. So now similarly here, if we see what is happening, if we say with respect to the query, first which query got executed? Outer query. Based on the outer query, which query got executed? Inner query. Inner query given output to which query? Outer query.
Outer
And
query.
finally, which query got executed? Outer query. Yes or no, guys?
yes.
So serial execution happens or parallel execution happens? Parallel execution happens in what? In in correlated query, but in subquery always sequential execution happens. First, which query will get executed? Inner query. Then which query will get executed? Outer query. Here it is not like that. Here it is like a loop, for loop, loop under loop. First, based on these things, outer query, inner query is getting executed. Then inner query executed, it given output to outer query. Finally, outer query is getting executed. Yes or no, guys? Tell me yes or no. Yes. So now if someone asks you what is a correlated query, can you just explain? Tell me yes or no. Tell me guys, yes or no. Kirti, can you just tell me, can you explain now correlated query or correlated subquery? Yes. So what you have to explain, it is based on the correlation. First what you have to tell, it is based on the
correlation.
Then what you have to tell? Then you have to tell what? Execution you have to explain.
Execution of steps like first outer query will execute, then inner query, and based on the inner query output, outer query is executed, and
Stop
it is
here. Yes, stop here. That's all you have to tell. This is the complete definition. Over. Now, if you want to in detail, what you will tell? You will tell what? I want to know the details of employee earning the first maximum salary. Then you will write down this query. Then what you will tell? First, you will explain on a high level. First, this query will execute. Based on this query will execute. And then this will give the output as 1. Suppose I want the second maximum salary. So 1 equals to 1. Then this final query will execute. I'll get the first maximum salary. This is a high level definition, high level explanation. If he still wants to, if he wants to get explained neatly, more depth, then you will have to draw these two tables. You have to explain. See, this is the first maximum salary, 5,000. This will be compared to 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 2,000, 1,000. Only if the condition is true, then count will increase. Count starts from 0. For this case, count is 0. So 0 equals to 0. That means what happened? King is the maximum salary. For Scott, that is not the case. Count is becoming what? 2. 2 is not equal to 0. That means Scott is not the first maximum salary. Can we explain this much, guys? Yes or no?
Yes.
Excellent, guys. Excellent. Let me just give the notes, guys. Tomorrow I will start your DML, DDL, TCL, DQL, DRL. That's what we are discussing also. And tomorrow I'll try to finish your at least DDL and DML and TCL also. So that I can take the next topics like rank, dense rank, row num, row ID, views index. Okay, all those things I'll take. Let me just share the, first of all, let me just share the pick. Okay, this pick is very important. If you know the pick, you know everything. Yes, guys. Let me go here. This is correlated query. Excellent, guys. Excellent. This I have sent you. Now I have to give you the SQL material. Let me go to document. Are you getting basic understanding of SQL, guys? Tell me yes or no. Kirti?
Yes.
I'm telling, are you getting the basic understanding of SQL? Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Fine, guys. Just practice these queries, all the queries, whatever I have written and everything. All these queries also I'll try to give you today, okay? So that you practice daily basis and just make a grip on the subject. Once you start practicing, guys, there's no one who can stop you, because what we are learning is the end, guys. Each and every query, recording, material, everything. That's all, guys, for today. Tomorrow, exact 8 p.m. we will meet. One Samba can wait. Rest of you, please leave the class. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you, guys. Bye.